Is your current phone system slowing down your professional growth? Whether you're running a home business, freelancing, managing an SME, or leading a corporation, staying connected with your team and clients should be hassle-free. Yet, high setup costs, scaling challenges, limited mobility, and messy call logs often get in the way. It's time to switch to a smarter solution. VoIP systems are transforming how businesses and individuals stay connected, offering affordability, flexibility, and scalability that traditional systems can't match. Taking it a step further, KrispCall combines these benefits with an intuitive, AI-powered phone app that simplifies setup, organizes calls, and adapts to your needs, whether you're working from home or managing a growing team. And the best part? Setting up KrispCall as your VoIP phone system is just quick and easy. All you need to do is go to KrispCall.com and click on Get Started. Now that you're here, enter your email address and check the I'm not a robot box to sign up. After signing up, check your email for a verification code. Copy it and paste it on the form to continue. Once verified, create your KrispCall account by entering your name, phone number, and a strong password. Then click Sign Up. KrispCall offers a phone system for both businesses and individuals. Choose your purpose, then select specific use cases that match your needs. Now that you have completed setting up an account, it's time to choose your preferred plan. If you choose the annual subscription, 20% saving goes right into your pocket. Further, the comparison plans link redirects you to pricing and features applicable to each plan side by side. The Essential plan is ideal for freelancers and home businesses, covering up to 5 users, whereas to meet the requirements of more users, Standard and Enterprise plans are here to support your growing business. Select your plan and you're good to go. Enjoy one free phone number for the USA or Canada and $1 in credit to kickstart your journey. Now, you've set up a VoIP phone in no time without the need for bulky devices. Explore more with KrispCall for features like bulk SMS, a power dialer, multi-level IVR, and integration with your CRM. Try it today.